Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into SunTrust Bank account. If you'd like to log into online banking on SunTrust Bank, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up a web browser. In the address bar at the top of the screen, type in www.suntrust.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of SunTrust Bank. Click on the sign on button at the top right corner in order to enter to the login area. Soon after you hit the sign on button, you'll be able to see a pop-up window appearing at the right hand side corner of the screen. Select your login area from where you'd like to log into your account and then type in your user ID where it says user ID in the text box. Now head over to the next field and type in your password for your account. Make sure to type in the correct password while logging into your account. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, you can check this box right here where it says remember user ID. But if you're using a public device or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box before moving on. After typing in all of your information, you can go and click on this arrow button in orange. But if you've forgotten your password or your user ID, you can click on this link right below where it says forgot user ID or password and follow the instructions in order to reset or to look for your user ID for your SunTrust Bank account. If you've not enrolled for online banking on SunTrust, click on the Sign Up Now link displayed and follow the instructions to register yourself to a new account. After typing everything in, click on this little arrow, wait for a few seconds and you'll be logged into your SunTrust Bank account in no time. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.